Welcome to Panama, a vibrant Central American country known for its diverse culture, stunning natural beauty, and the world-famous Panama Canal. Whether you're interested in exploring historical sites, relaxing on beautiful beaches, or delving into lush rainforests, Panama has something to offer for every type of traveler. Here's a comprehensive travel guide to help you make the most of your trip to Panama. 1. Best time to visit. Panama's tropical climate means that it's warm year-round. The dry season, December to April, is the most popular time to visit when you can enjoy clear skies and less rain. The rainy season, May to November, brings lush greenery and lower prices, but it's also when you'll experience more frequent downpours. 2. Top destinations. 1. Panama City. The capital city is a modern hub with a historic colonial district, Casco Viejo, skyscrapers, and a vibrant nightlife. 1. Don't miss the Panama Canal Miraflores Locks Visitor Center. 2. Bocas del Toro. This archipelago offers stunning beaches, clear waters, and excellent opportunities for snorkeling, scuba diving, and water sports. 3. San Blas Islands. These picturesque islands are home to the indigenous Kuna people and offer an authentic cultural experience in addition to breathtaking beaches. 4. Bouquet. Nestled in the highlands, Bouquet is known for its cool climate, coffee plantations, and outdoor activities like hiking and birdwatching. 5. Gamboa Rainforest. Explore the lush rainforest, go on wildlife tours, and experience the unique ecosystem of the Panama Canal watershed. 3. Cultural experiences. 1. Indigenous communities. Learn about Panama's diverse indigenous cultures by visiting communities like the Embera and Kuna tribes. 1. Purchase handcrafted goods and immerse yourself in their traditions. 2. Festivals. If your visit coincides with Carnival, February, March, or the Corpus Christi celebrations in June, you'll have the chance to experience vibrant local festivals. 4. Outdoor activities. 1. Hiking and trekking. Explore Panama's stunning landscapes through various hiking trails, such as the Pipeline Road in Soberania National Park or the Quetzal Trail in Bouquet. 2. Water sports. Enjoy snorkeling, scuba diving, surfing, kayaking, and more in the crystal-clear waters of Panama's coasts. 3. Canopy tours. Experience the rainforest from above on zipline tours, offering a thrilling perspective of the lush vegetation and wildlife. 5. Culinary delights. 1. Seafood. Being surrounded by two oceans, Panama offers an abundance of fresh seafood. 1. Don't miss out on trying ceviche, a popular local dish. 2. Plantains. Sample various dishes made from plantains, a staple in Panamanian cuisine. 2. Try patacones, fried plantains, or tigrillo, mashed plantains with eggs and cheese. 6. Practical tips. 1. Language. The official language is Spanish, but English is widely spoken in tourist areas. 2. Currency. The official currency is the Panamanian Balboa, PAB, but the US dollar, USD, is commonly used and accepted. 3. Health and safety. Check with your doctor about vaccinations before traveling. 3. Use bottled water and insect repellent to stay safe and healthy. Remember that this guide provides a general overview of what Panama has to offer. Make sure to research specific destinations, accommodations, and activities that align with your interests for a tailored and memorable travel experience. And there you have it, a glimpse into the amazing world of Panama. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more exciting travel content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now. And if you found this video helpful or inspiring, a thumbs up goes a long way in supporting our channel. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring and keep adventuring.